No time to invest in you? That's exactly why we need to talk. Hey everyone, Rhonda Y. Williams, CEO of Above the Grind, here with your Espresso Shot, another lightning leadership lesson. I hear it over and over. I'm simply too busy to attend this workshop, to join a leadership mastermind, to read a leadership book, or even hire a coach. If these are responses you give often, you may be self-sabotaging without even realizing it. These are not random time-sucking events. Properly leveraged, many of these activities can help you stop spinning and regain the control you so desperately want in your life. It's time to stop the madness. None of us set out to limit our own success or bypass work-life harmony. It's a conditioned response that flies under the radar and gradually takes root. Are you tired of not having time to enjoy success and live a fulfilling leadership life? Schedule your executive breakthrough call today. We've got this.